Hey, look at that, guys. This is beautiful. So cute. So how do they open this? Oh, I already own it. I think you press this one to own it. This is what the mics are looking like. So this is the one you connect to your phone. So this is, I think this is to put in the front of the microphone. I always see people use that. So this is what our mic is looking like. So you connect this, you put this on your cloth. So it came with two. This is the other one. So I guess this is the mute. Yeah, when you want to hide the volume. So it's so cute. I like it. So this is the adapters. This one is for maybe Samsung or other phones. So this is for iPhone. And where is the one for camera? I never see that one. Where that one there? Where is that one for the camera? No, this one is for your phone. Okay, this is the one that they already have in this thing. Okay, so you have to be. How did they remove? I might not go break on. So I will see how they remove it. I think okay, like that. Okay, this is how you put it. So you can remove this and put any of these ones. So for me now, for the phone I'm going to be using, I need this one. So I'll just put this one and connect this to my phone. So guys, that's what it's looking like. I'm loving this already. I'm going to try it out and tell you guys and give you guys my feedback. So there's another pack. Let's see what is inside here. I don't know. Oh, this is the bag for the mic. Came with a bag. The bag is really cute. What do you guys think? So this one is the... Okay. So this one, when you want to charge it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will be making a video trying this out so that you guys can see how it works.